Hi guys, welcome to Recipes Tested. I'm Brianna Robinson and this is my daughter Remington. And today we are going to be making cake. That's right. We're going to be making Laura Vitale's spiced raisin coffee cake, and the link to her website with the recipe will be down in the bottom description below. And this is actually one that I've made before, but I failed before. When I first made this, I made it in a bundt pan, which was a horrible idea because the topping completely stuck to the bottom of the pan and it just completely fell apart. And I wanted to make it again to redeem myself, and it just sounded really good for the weekend. So if you guys want to see how this recipe turns out, just keep watching and we'll get testing. You ready to get testing? Yeah? Yeah? Boom. Boom. Are you ready for Recipes Tested?
Yeah!
Yay!
Yay!
Here's a bowl.
Take a bowl. Oh, bowl! Cooking.
You want to dump it in?
Yeah. Yeah.
There you go.
The bowl.
In the bowl. Good job. There you go. You dump it through this.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna do one. This way. One. There you go. 2, 3. Good job. Whoa. 4. Woo. 5.
I do that.
Oh, in the bowl. In the bowl.
Thank you.
Pour it in. Oh my god. Okay.
Go. So go. At the bowl. Yeah.
You don't. There you go.
Done.
So the last thing that I did was make the topping by adding sugar, brown sugar, walnuts, and then I chopped up some butter and put some cinnamon in there and just kind of mixed that all together until the butter was a little bit smaller. I sprayed my pan and put my cake in there and leveled it out, topped it with that yummy, yummy topping, and then baked it. And that was as simple as this is.
Hi, Mom.
Hi, baby. Alrighty, so she's already dug in. I'm gonna give it a taste and let you know if it's love at first bite.
I'll have a bite.
You want my bite?
Yeah.
It's really good. It's got a nice kind of spicy flavor, but more of on the warm spices, which I really, really like paired with the orange. I feel like the orange pairs really well with it because I feel like it's really good for this time of year when the seasons, you know, it's spring, so we have some really nice days and some really cruddy days. And I think that this works because it's the brightness with the warm and fuzzy like we're used to with the cold months. And now that we're getting out of that, this is a really good kind of middle ground for kind of in between seasons, even though it's technically spring. I guess my only complaint is I don't know if I did something wrong with the topping, but a lot of the topping mixture, like the walnuts, went down into the cake. So it doesn't really have so much a walnut topping as it is like a brown sugar and butter kind of like coating, and then the walnuts and everything are kind of down in the cake, which is still really good. I really like that flavor, especially with the raisins. It all just really kind of worked together, but that would be like the only thing I guess I would say that maybe didn't work out that well. This is good. Remy, what do you rate this recipe?
Ice cream.
Ice cream? Is it really good?
Ice cream.
Well, I would rate this Probably a 9.5 out of 10. Only because of when I mixed the wet ingredients and it looked gross. I thought that I screwed something up and that I was just gonna have to post a fail for you guys. So I'm glad that it all worked out, but I think that if it was like written in the recipe that it might look completely separated, I think that that would have made a big difference for me because I really thought that I just messed it up. Well, thank you guys so much for watching and hanging out with Remington and I today while she made her first cake, huh? I really appreciate your time, and give me a thumbs up if you enjoy being in the kitchen with kids today. It's just fun. And don't forget to subscribe for more recipes tested, and give me a comment down below if you want any more of these munchkins of mine in the kitchen with me. And I will see you guys in my next video. You gonna say bye?
Bye. Take a word. Goodbye.